I'm actually delighted to be here today and privileged to be here tonight on the auspicious occasion. I've had too much grog already, I think. Auspicious occasion to celebrate with you Total Fiji Limited's 10th anniversary. Ladies and gentlemen, Total has truly come a long way, and tonight's celebrations clearly portrayed as its 10 years in a good, long, successful business of 10 years in Fiji. Since it was founded 10 years ago, Total has become one of the most recognized and trusted names in Fiji's energy industry. Moreover, it has become the main source of livelihood for more than 200 Fijians who are currently employed by Total Fiji Limited, compared to 60 during its inception in 2006. And allow me to give you a snapshot of some of Total's key achievements on the local frontier. Last year, Total introduced its new fuel, Total Excellium, new generation fuel, and a fuel that basically cleans your engine kilometer after kilometer, and I can testify to that on my motorcycle. The Excellium new generation's formulation was optimized with specific detergent additives to clean the engine's vital components and keep them clear over time. And fascinatingly, this has resulted in 93% less buildup for diesel engines and up to about 99% less for gasoline engines. And on the 26th of May 2015, they launched a new advertising campaign for its Total Quartz automotive lubricants range with the promise to keep engines younger for longer. And I'd be the happiest man if I was promised to be younger for longer. Ladies and gentlemen, the campaign also highlighted Total's technical progress in developing lubricants that evidently put cutting-edge technology in the service of cars as well as their drivers. This undoubtedly marked the triumphant return of robot quartz to many television screens nationwide. And responding also to government's call for support after the devastation caused by TC Winston earlier this year, which also claimed the lives of about 44 of our citizens, the Managing Director of Total Fiji Limited, Martin McCarthy, presented about $100,000 worth of fuel towards Dismac's cyclone relief support. So on that note, thank you very much for your kind support. This evidently indicated how Total had its customers, the community, and the people, and the country at heart. And ladies and gentlemen, it is encouraging to note that the industry players are taking a keen interest in the conservation and sustainable management of resources, which augurs well within the Fijian government's Green Growth Framework. Now, the Green Growth Framework establishes an economic model in which the sustainable use of our resources are paramount, and conservation and management of our natural resources are paramount for the survival and sustainable development of the energy industry in Fiji. And in line with this, my ministry is working towards improving fuel standards, and I thank Total for being a big part of the working group. Ladies and gentlemen, I need not say much more, but being a leading international oil company and a world-class operator in natural gas and refining and petrochemicals, Total Group has most certainly lived up to their commitments in strengthening their local integration through dialogue with relevant stakeholders and building long-term relationships and partnerships with the stakeholders and helping to contribute to their economic and social development. And one must not forget that it is a collective effort, and we grow stronger as we continue to support and challenge each other to keep pushing the industry forward. And I therefore urge all of us to embrace the value, their corporate spirit and belief in excellence and people and innovation. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fiji government will also explore a more stable method of fuel importation and procurement. And however, be rest assured that we will be consulting all the stakeholders in this particular regard. Anyway, I know you're not here to listen to a long speech, so with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to wish you all an enjoyable evening, and once again to congratulate Total Fiji Limited on their 10th anniversary. And just so we can do this properly, may you please charge all your glasses and say cheers, and here's to the next 10 years to Total. Cheers. Thank you very much, and enjoy your evening.
Vinakabakalevu, Honourable Minister. Ladies and gentlemen, please another round of applause. Thank you so much.